Backed by years of experience, Kudo 3D has developed the Bean to fit into anyone's life. This high-performance 3D printer is a truly affordable, all-purpose 3D printer created with the consumer in mind. Usage is simple. Simply pour in the resin, press print, and watch your designs come to life. The Bean allows yourself the freedom to view and control the printer from any Wi-Fi enabled device. Slices are projected by a 2K LCD panel coupled with a LED lamp. Our patented PSP technology enhances the resolution and surface smoothness. Specially formulated for the Bean, 3D SR resins range from green, gray, black, and yellow. Back the Bean 3D printer today. Kudo 3D. Unleash your creativity.
This is Toybox, a kid-friendly, easy-to-use 3D printer. Browse through the ever-expanding Toybox library filled with hundreds of creatures and contraptions. Customize the toys to expand your already impressive collection for a more immersive playtime experience. You can even draw your very own unique creations. Hit print, watch it go, put it together, and share your creation. It's that easy. Toybox has what you need to create an epic school project, complete with all the details to impress your classmates. Imagination taking over? Upload your own files directly to Toybox and complete your biggest achievements yet, like your very own pinball machine. Toybox. It's a bottomless treasure trove filled with toys and kids' creative potential.
We believe in empowering kids with the tools to create amazing things. That's why we created a 3D printer that can be set up in 5 minutes and requires no training. The plastic is biodegradable and non-toxic, so it's completely safe to use. With your support, you'll not only bring a Toybox into your home, you'll also be inspiring the next generation of young and creative minds.
Kid-friendly, easy to use, limitless possibilities. Toybox.
Hi, my name is Arya. I'm an engineer and a certified SOLIDWORKS professional. I'm one of the developers of Kubibot, a compact, affordable, yet professional 3D printer. My dad and I started out in the garage. Our goal was to reimagine 3D printing for a wider audience and make this tool usable for everybody. For most people, 3D printers are either too large, too expensive, too difficult to use, or just basic tiny toys with unacceptable quality. We wanted to create something that would be high functioning, yet affordable, simple enough to use for everyone. Just plug it in and click print. After 2.5 years of hard work, we are proud to introduce you to Kubibot, the first machine that makes 3D printing available to all people. You don't have to be an expert or a technology buff to use it. Kubibot is capable of printing any object you can imagine and design. However, to jumpstart your creativity, we have created our own design database that contains many different designs ready to be printed. All you need to do is browse the database and click print for your favorite design. The use of this database will be completely free for our users and Kubibot owners. Simply enjoy your creations as they come to life. We designed Kubibot with a priority on health and safety so that you can bring Kubibot into your home, your office, your classroom, or labs. Kubibot has a built-in ventilation system with a replaceable filter, making Kubibot safer than other non-filtered 3D printers. Compact doesn't mean less powerful. Kubibot is also Wi-Fi and cloud-enabled, allowing users to print wirelessly from their computer or phone using our Android and iOS apps. Kubibot's heated bed and high-temperature nozzle enable it to print with a wide range of materials, including PLA plastic for toys and hobby, engineering plastics such as ABS and PC, and flexible materials as well. Kubibot's smart status notification lets you know what it's up to at all times. Given its features and its affordable price, Kubibot is truly for everybody. Families who want to print children's toys or school projects, engineers and scientists who need to produce quick prototypes, teachers, architects, and business owners. No matter what your vocation or purpose might be, Kubibot makes 3D printing technology practical, accessible, and effortless and fun for everybody. Right now, Kubibot exists as fully functional prototypes, but we need your help to finalize the web-based platform and manufacture the molds needed for production. When our Kickstarter goal is met, we'll be able to take Kubibot from prototype to production and get it into the hands of people like you. We built a technology that puts 3D printing in the hands of everyone with a dream. Now it's up to you. What will you create with Kubibot?
We took the world's best-selling SLA 3D printer and made it even better. Introducing the Form 2. Powered by a precision optical engine, the Form 2 creates laser-sharp prints with beautiful detail. With a larger build volume and smarter technology, the Form 2 is designed for performance. Now you can create perfect prototypes right on your desktop. We've redesigned the way we print. A new peel mechanism, a wiper, and a heated resin tank work together so you can print parts not possible on other machines. An integrated resin system adds materials automatically. With wireless connectivity, sending prints to your machine is simple. The Form 2 is built for collaboration. You can monitor progress, receive notifications, or easily share your printer with your team. Engineered for precision, designed for reliability. The Form 2. The most advanced desktop 3D printer ever created.
"3D printers are either expensive or don't match the quality standards to make the true beauty of your design real. Now there is a solution. Introducing SparkMaker, an affordable desktop SLA 3D printer for everyone. SparkMaker is designed as a plug-and-play, standalone printer. Start printing is super easy. Just download the design file from computer to an SD card. Insert it to SparkMaker with resin filled. Press the button and you are all set. During the printing, an LED light will keep you updated about the status, and a UV protective translucent cover to avoid any damage from the circumstance. The printing area is 102 by 125 millimeters, with a 0.1 millimeter XY resolution and a Z resolution up to 0.02 millimeters. After printing, simply take off the top and grab your finished product. SparkMaker comes with 5 types of resins for different objects you want to create. And with the 5 types of color paste, you can print any color you want. If you don't want to get messed with the typical resins, we also provide a special resin that can be cleaned by water directly. No matter you are an artist, designer, or hobbyist, you will be able to create high-quality 3D printed objects with SparkMaker. SparkMaker comes with a free and easy-to-use software to design your own objects. Or you can just use existing 3D models from our library. We believe that the future of 3D printing relies on making it available for everyone. We tap the top engineering, 3D printing, and industrial design talent to create SparkMaker. Our team has been working on 3D printer manufacturing for years, and we are confident to introduce SparkMaker to everybody to see what you will create with it. So join us, and let's start creating.